Mukmu TV nai tongnai khaponi takhuktai bukhuk songno sakano lamchogo tini sangrong salo korbuk YTF song Delhi Movement Bike Rally khlaijak kha a bike rally khlaijak mani yagulo korbuk subdivision by khopjak Logang ADC Village ni YTF Block Committee ni Secretary Bromgonang Chonjidriang press meet khai sakha tinini Delhi Movement Bike Rally wo senior leader hayakeba okra rok belaino chubakha nei phiaba aboni logi logi hambai bo yafarka ingke khaponi takhuktai bukhsong naitongri Mukmu TV
Wilano media person no hambai tamni hinba kini chini Korbuk district level bike rally program song Delhi thawni awareness program te greater Tripuralen ni song demand khainani chini Korbuk tini kaisa kapal khana bike rally khaika ani maga hambai tini ni chini Korbuk YTF division ni secretary tongo yang organization secretary member tongo belai na hambai mario taman himba chini o program no success khaithani chini Korbuk division ti pramothani president bobochuno chubakha and we especially thanks te on leader onobo hambai mario taman himba chini youth by tini je sungsajak Delhi Abhijan no Greater Tripuralen awareness program no chung bhai ke chini biskang ni habana chung senai aboni te tini chen bike rally khailekha and we belai no grand success chini tini ni bike about 400 and bagai chung kaham khano khailekha chini Korbuk khoite suru khai boiragi dogan te gorakappa silasori elmara chung joto side no chini Korbuk district level ni jaga o thangwi bike rally khaipeka and baga hambai chini bisheshly bagai senior leader onobu te TWF buma bodol nobu chuno bibhinno rokom bhabe chubamon bagai ke tini chini je bike rally khaimone amo grand success te Greater Tripuralen go chung biskang na habao te kaham khana chung ama haikina khailena ni amona jotono koyo jotono hambai thank you ani sinimukhe YTF Block Committee ni ang secretary yang chini to assistant secretary Rupendra jang organizing secretary Raghunath te chini YTF ni members